Hi, I'm Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars. I often use the GluBoost products in my shop when doing finish and repair work, especially when doing repair work on colored finishes. Here's how I mix the GluBoost powdered dyes to get the exact color match that I need for the repair. Just go ahead and add your dye directly to your GluBoost mixing palette. Then go ahead and add your fill and finish. Then slowly add some of the dye to the fill and finish, making sure that you mix it completely. If any of those little granules don't dissolve, go ahead and keep mixing and keep adding the color until you get the color that you want. You can also mix and match colors here to get the desired tint that you want. Remember to mix it thoroughly until it completely dissolves. If you need to add white, add it slowly, a little bit at a time there, and go ahead and mix it. And you can just play with your colors here until you get the desired tint that you want. Remember, if you need to, just add a little bit more fill and finish to extend your open time. And that will make a nice finish repair on an orange guitar. Happy finishing, folks.